Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this Ofra highlighter that I got in the shade Rodeo Drive. And this is the best selling classic shade of highlighter from Ofra, and Ofra is known for their highlighters, so I'm really excited to try this out. I have tried out other Ofra highlighters in the past which are incredible, but not this shade, so I'm really excited to finally be trying it out. Their highlighters are liquid to baked highlighters with intense shine. And I got this in my June 2022 Boxycharm premium box. So that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But this is a $35 highlighter, which I think is so expensive, but the packaging does feel substantial. It's got weight to it, and it's a big pan. It has the mirror here, but oh, this just looks so beautiful. I can't resist. I have to go ahead and touch it. Oh my gosh. It has the creamiest feel, like the creamiest powder ever. Oh my gosh, so pigmented. Let's see the swatch. So this is supposed to be universally flattering, and I really do think that this is going to work beautifully for me. Like the glow that gives, oh my gosh. And it's the shiny glow without being glitter sparkly, which the shiny glow like this is exactly what I look for in a highlighter. And it blends out. You can diffuse it and it gives that just glistening wet skin look. Oh my gosh. So this is great for the body. Wow. Okay, I can't wait to see how this is going to look on my face. I usually apply my highlighters just with my finger onto my cheek, but I'm going to start out trying this with the fan brush. So just going to pick some up on the brush here and apply it to the high point of the cheek. And I think with the fan brush, it's giving subtle glow. I mean, it's so pretty. I'm going to pick up some more on the fan brush just to build it up a bit more. Oh, and it seriously does look just like wet or glass skin. And that is really nice, subtle, but I want to amp it up a little bit more. And I feel like I'll be able to blend it better with my finger. So I think a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to start out with a little bit. Oh my gosh, yeah, like you can build this up for intense shine. But it is just such a creamy, buttery formula that blends out so nicely. And yeah, that shade definitely works. It blends in with the skin, reflects the light with like a natural shine color. Like it just looks like shining skin. Oh, so pretty. I'm just gonna go right in with my finger on the other cheek. Like, see how intense you can get that? I'm gonna just blend it out, diffuse it a bit more. The only kind of downside of it being so shiny like this is that I feel like it really does show texture. Like, you kind of have to be looking more up close. I feel like on camera it looks really nice, but just like every pore is really emphasized. Like texture that you couldn't even see before the highlight is now showing like in spotlight with this on. So like I love how it looks on camera. I feel like it would look so good in pictures, but for in person wanting natural glow and shine to the skin, this is not the highlighter that I'm going to be reaching for. But like it looks so gorgeous glistening glass skin on camera and from a distance. Since I'm not crazy about the texture that it's giving my cheeks, let's go ahead and try it in like a smaller area. So I'm just going to pick it up on my finger again. See how it is as a brow highlight. Yeah, that is really nice. Let's see about an inner corner highlight as well. So if I'm just giving that glow, the reflection to a smaller area, I feel like that is a better use for my skin, because then I don't have to worry about how textured my skin looks. And it is a really nice, brightening inner corner highlight. It looks pretty on the brow bone as well. I also kind of feel like, look, I can't even resist, but like this is the highlight style and trend of a few years ago, where you wanted like a blinding highlight and it could have more of that noticeable shimmer, shine, texture on the skin. That was just more the look. But what I want now is just shine, smooth, undetectable texture type of highlight. And so as pretty as this is, it's just not exactly my most flattering formula, which is such a bummer because it is like my most flattering shade. The shade really lives up to the hype. But so if you've tried this out, definitely let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Oh, one more thing I did want to try. Let's see how it is on the body. Once again, just picking up with my finger. I'm going to try like a little collarbone highlight. I mean, that looks so nice how it reflects the light. Let's bring this collarbone to match. But it's still like, it is noticeably unnatural. Like, it really enhances the collarbone. That made a nice difference. But you can still see like, just like texture. And I'm so picky about texture with skin products especially. So I just love the shine, I love the color, I love the effect that this gives from a distance. So for those purposes, I can use it, but I just wish in person it looked smoother. But now we know. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.